Hello there, welcome to our Business Ideas series, a place where we explore business ideas you've probably never thought of. In today's episode, we'll be looking at making money from fixing and flipping dryers and other household appliances in general. Before we get right to it, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to Business Ideas 365, and click the notification bell for more amazing business ideas. Let's get it on. If you have a heartbeat and basic marketing skills, then you can make money from fixing and flipping dryers. Of course, dryers are not the only thing you can flip. You can flip cars, furniture, household appliances, and virtually anything you can think of. However, my personal favorite is dryers. Why dryers, you ask? Well, dryers and appliances in general are easy to sell. Usually, when someone is looking for an appliance, it's most likely because an old one failed. This means there's some sense of urgency to buy. Secondly, most people don't know the actual worth of a working appliance in the used market. They simply compare the price with a new one. And you can sell most dryers for a good profit without having to go back and forth about the price. Allow me to let you in on a little secret. A few of the appliances in my house, particularly my cooling units, were purchased on the used market. So there's a ready market for fixing and flipping dryers. One flipper even confessed that he made over $10,000 within 3 months of starting an appliance flipping business. The basic idea behind this business is to buy dryers, clean and repair them as necessary, and then resell for a profit. It's easy to find free and cheap dryers that require very little work. Some of the repairs are super easy, and you may be dealing with a bad heating element or a thermal fuse. Keeping a stock of these easy-to-replace and commonly failed parts will help you to sell fast. In general, you'll need the following tools to start your dryer fixing and flipping business. A vehicle capable of moving appliances. If you don't have one, you could always borrow or rent. Hand truck to easily move dryers from and to your truck. Ramps to save yourself the stress of lifting. Tie-down straps to secure your dryers to your truck and dolly. A basic repair tool kit comprising of screwdrivers, pliers, and spanners. And of course, white appliance paint for an amazing finish. With the exception of a truck, you can purchase everything else on this list from Amazon for less than $150. Buying stock. Once you have your tools ready, I believe the next thing to think about is where to purchase cheap dryers. Now here's something most people don't tell you. You actually make more money when you buy your stock and not when you sell it. I know this sounds confusing, I'll explain. If you buy a used dryer at a high price, you'll need to sell at a higher price in order to make any profit. Even though most buyers don't know the real market value of a used dryer, they can get a basic idea by simply browsing and checking what other sellers are offering. If your prices are high, then no one will buy from you. So, as much as possible, try to negotiate the price of buying a dryer to the barest minimum. If you can't buy a dryer cheap enough to make a profit of at least $50, then it's probably not worth the stress. The key to making money here is to have an idea of how much an item will likely sell for before you buy it. As you progress in the market, you will become really good at knowing the current market value of an appliance. Craigslist is a good place to source for stock. Here are some general tips you should, however, carry with you. Once again, know the market value of an item before buying it. If you don't think you can make money from an item, there's no use buying it. Always move around with small bills and change. This will save you a lot of time when you make an offer. Finally, when searching Craigslist, look out for keywords like urgent, fast, and divorce sale. You'll get the best negotiating leverage on such deals. To wrap up this section on buying stock, I remember mentioning getting appliances for free. There are two primary ways to get free or ridiculously cheap dryers. First, when selling a dryer, you could ask the customer if he has an old appliance he would like to let go of or trade. Secondly, you will be amazed at the number of good dryers and appliances that get thrown away on Craigslist because of a simple issue the owner doesn't want to fix. Well, their loss could be your gain. Cleaning and repairing dryers. I can't give a comprehensive guide on how to clean and repair dryers because there are different models out there. However, what I will say is that you could save a lot of profit for yourself if you know how to repair these appliances. There are a number of sites like Trade Skills, Repair Clinic, and of course YouTube that offer great tutorials on how to do common appliance repair. Peradventure a dryer cannot be fixed, you could part it out and keep the parts as spares for other fixes. Don't forget to add a new coat of white paint if necessary. Selling. I know you are probably scared of the selling part. Most of us are. However, it's pretty easy once you get a hang of it. Landlords, homeowners who can't afford new dryers, renters who want inexpensive upgrades, and people who want an extra set for their basement are some of your potential customers. You'll be completely honest though. You'll be dealing with the general public, and as you probably know, some people are nutheads. To ensure that you only deal with serious buyers when selling on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, take detailed photos from every angle of your dryer, write a detailed description including dents and scratches, and indicate that your price is firm. Do you think this is a good business to start? Let us know in the comments section.